So in terms of the help offered by Geosoft, they're definitely starting to do more video tutorials, but one of their strongest points is that they have phenomenal PDF tutorials. You've just got to know where to find it. And so the website here is Geosoft/support/download/technical documents. I'll copy this and I'll paste it in the comments section of this YouTube video. And so I'm sure if you just click on enough links on their homepage, you'll find it. And you can see these tutorials here. In terms of geophysics, so somebody's asked about leveling of aeromagnetic data. So if you click on it, I think it automatically started downloading. It was a zip file. And so I've downloaded it already, and you can just unzip it. And if you take a look at it, where is it here? Like it's a 70-page document. All about different procedures, and they really do walk you through it. And you can see here as well in this folder, there's also data. So I think there must actually be, I haven't looked through this one, but an actual tutorial for you to work through. So I know we all love videos, and hopefully they will move more in towards that direction. But this is a great resource if you're looking for this, especially since I haven't done a lot of videos for all the stuff that Geosoft could do. So check out these great resources.